Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad K Sangma hakasni thoding ulaong bakinam tuklar satya halor ki kynram kabami Nagaro Hills Autonomous District Council. Menteri Rangba Ongru bakishania hakajing penbet kebalat load hapdeng ki para MDC.
So in the GHADC, we had got to receive the letter from the chairman as well as from different members regarding the resignation of 9 EMs. And at the same time, we'd also got a note for asking for a special session and no confidence motion against the CEM. And based on those letters that have come in, the matter was referred to the governor. And governor, based on his power under para 36(5), has gone ahead and asked for the special session to be called, where the no confidence motion will be held, and the CEM will have to prove his majority. It could be anything, but as I said, now let the democratic process follow. And really, we have always maintained that we try to stay away from the interference of any kind in the district councils, and we still maintain that even now.